Alright guys, so hopefully you guys enjoy the install part of this unit. This unit was very simple, guys. Now starting off with this unit, I did go ahead and co-wash this unit. Now with all my units when I get them, especially color units, I always use the ISO Plus neutralizing shampoo just to stop any of the processing if there's processing still going on in the unit. Now this is a kinky straight unit, guys, so you guys can see a little bit of the kink in this unit. Very, very pretty. Now with this one, I was a little skeptical in the beginning. I liked it in the side part, but then when I did the straight version of this one, I really like it straight in the middle part. So this unit looks really nice, guys. It does have a great density to it as well, guys. Nothing too heavy. I will turn around and show you guys the back of this unit, but all in all, this is not a color choice I would normally do for this hair color, but I felt like this hair color definitely did something for me that it's a little bit, you know, different. So with the kinky texture on this one, or the yucky texture, I think this color goes perfectly well with it. I even think like a nice kind of like honey blonde color would be very pretty. So let me know what you guys think about this one. This is the first company that I've seen that's done a colored kinky yucky textured hair, and this one looks very good. I did go ahead and put a little powder in the middle part area just to kind of clean the part up, but you guys can see that it looks very nice. The hair has an amazing luster to it, guys. It's a very full, very pretty, as you guys can tell. Now look at how beautiful this looks. I did trim the ends a little bit on this one just so it could be a little bit more on the even side, as you guys can tell. I like it worn either way. You can wear it on the side part, you can wear it in the middle part. I think the middle part straight just definitely has a better look to it. And like I said, you guys can see how nice and natural the hair looks. Look how beautiful yucky texture this is. I'm actually, like I said, guys, I'm actually really impressed with this one. When it came up on the website, I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try this. I have not seen someone do a colored one other than custom coloring it yourself. But this one, you don't have to color. It already comes this way, so you're ready to just go ahead and install. The install on this one was pretty simple. I did do like light baby hairs on this one, didn't do anything crazy. I kept the baby hairs light just because I wanted to emphasize the color, the middle part, and the kind of texture. So hopefully you guys get the texture, color, and density straight up in your face right now. So yeah, so I'll leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Beautyforeverhair. This is definitely a banger. Another thing I want to mention, I did kind of style it half up, half down, and it came out really cute. So the hairline on this one is very nice, guys. The lace on this one is very soft and delicate, so it definitely melts very well into the scalp. That's just one thing I want to mention. But other than that, guys, like I said, I'll leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.